our last video, we have done angles and radians and the relationship between angles and radians, and based on that, I hope you have done the sums. So today we'll continue the trigonometry and we'll see today angles of a triangle. Okay. So today we'll see trigonometric functions. Before understanding trigonometric function, you should know about a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Just suppose this is a right angle triangle. So one angle should be a right angle. Okay. So A, B, C is a right angle triangle. So this will be called as base and denoted by B. This will be called as perpendicular and this will be denoted by P. And this is hypotenuse and this will be denoted by H. And there will be one formula. If we have to find out the sides. If B and P is given, so we can find out H. The formula is H square will be equal to P square plus B square. It means AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC स्क्वायर. ठीक है. इट मीन्स अगर ये साइड अगर 3 है 3 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. एंड इफ दिस इज 4 सेंटीमीटर. ओके. देन दिस विल बी 5 सेंटीमीटर. क्यों? बिकॉज AC स्क्वायर विल बी इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. 4 का स्क्वायर प्लस 3 का स्क्वायर, दैट इज 16 प्लस 9 दैट इज 25. 25 मतलब AC विल बी इक्वल टू 5 का स्क्वायर. AC square will be equal to 5 का square, so AC will be equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. So this way we have to find out the sides. हमने sides find out करना. So based on this triangle, now we'll see the value of cos, sin and tan theta. Okay. So let this angle be theta. Then the value of sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, so it will be P by H. Now cos of this angle theta will be B by H, base upon hypotenuse. So this will be B by H. And tan theta will be equal to sin by cos, P by B. So it will be P by B. Okay. So these are the values of sin, cos, tan. So sin is sine, cos मतलब cos is cosine, tan is tangent. Okay. And inverse of sine is cosecant and cos का जो है that is inverse of cos is secant, that is sec. and tan का जो inverse है 1 upon tan is equal to cotangent. okay, so that is cot लिखते हैं. okay, COT cot. okay, so cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. okay, now we have to how you will find out the value of sin 0, sin 30, sin जो भी है values sin के, वो हम कैसे find out करते हैं. See, just imagine there is one trick that is very interesting trick. Just imagine this one, this my palm. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90 degree. Okay, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Okay, so for 0 degree, what we have to write? Sin 0 degree. Okay, what you have to write? The square root of the fingers below this 0. Okay, this is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So 0 degree, this finger, just fold this finger, and below this finger, how many fingers are there? No fingers below this. Okay, so it will be 0 divided by 2, that is 0. Now sin 30. Sin 30 के लिए sin 30 degree. Okay, 0 degree. Okay, so sin this is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So 30 degree. How many fingers are there below 30 degree? Below 30, how many fingers are there? Only 1. So we'll write 1 root under 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2. Now sin 45 degree. Okay. So 45 degree, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So this is 45 degree. 45 degree, how many fingers are there? Below this, how many fingers are there? 1, 2. So 2, root under 2 upon 2. Okay, just we have to write the number of fingers below that finger and divide it by 2. Okay, so it will be 1 upon root 2. Okay, now next is sine 60 degree. 60, this one 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So this one is 60 degree. So how many fingers are there below this? 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers are there. So root under 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now for this one, sine 90 degree. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So 90 degree. How many fingers are below this? How many fingers are there below this? 4 fingers are there. Okay. So sine 90 degree 4 fingers, root under 4 divided by 2. So root under 4 का value क्या होता है 2. So 2 divided by 2 will be 1. Now you can see sine will write here. Sine 0. I'm just writing here to make you understand better. 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Okay. Okay, for sine. So what are the values? For 0, 0, 1 upon 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 upon 2 and 1. Okay, these are the values. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the value of cos. Again 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Here what we have to do? Root under the root under of number of fingers above this. Okay, divided by 2. Okay, so cos 0. First of all, we'll write for cos 0. Cos 0 के लिए क्या होगा? Root under something divided by 2. So what will be the something? 0 degree, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. How many fingers for 0 degree, na? Cos 0. How many fingers are there above this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write here 4. So root under 4 is 2. Divided by 2 will be 1. Now cos 30 degree. Root under something divided by 2. So 30 degree. This one is 30. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. 30 degree. So how many fingers are there above this? 1, 2, 3. So 3. So this is root under 3 upon 2. Now cos 45. Root under something upon 2. Okay. Now cos 45. So 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So this is 45. How many fingers are there above this? 1, 2. Okay. How many fingers are there above this? 1, 2. So we'll write here 2. Root under 2 upon 2 will be 1 upon root 2. Okay. Now cos 60. Root under something upon 2. Okay. Now 60. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So this one is 60. How many fingers are there above this? 1. So we'll write 1. So it will be 1 upon 2. Now cos 90. Okay. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. This one is 90. So how many fingers are there above this? No, 0. So we'll write 0 upon 2. So it will be 0. Okay. Now we got the value of cos 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 का value है ना. तो cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 60 is 1 upon 2 and cos 90 is 0. ठीक है. Now we'll find out the value of tan. ठीक है. We'll see how to find out the value of tan. Again we'll apply the same trick. 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. And what tan के लिए formula क्या रहेगा? Square root of above finger, sorry, below finger, number of fingers below, okay, divided by root under fingers above. Okay, so tan 0, root under something upon root under something. Okay, so tan 0 के लिए we'll see. 0, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So this one is 0. So how many fingers are below this? How many fingers are there below this? This one? 0 fingers are there. So we'll write here 0. And how many fingers are there above this? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll write here 4. So 0 upon anything will be 0. Now tan 30. Something upon something, root under something. Okay, now 30, 0, 30. This one is 30. How many fingers are there below this? Only one. So we'll write here 1. And how many fingers are there above this? 1, 2, 3. So 3. So 1 root under 1 upon root under 3. So it will be 1 upon root 3. Okay. Now tan 45. Okay. So root under something divided by root under something. Okay. So 0, 30, 45. This one is 45. So first of all we have to find out fingers below. So how many fingers are below this? 1, 2. Okay. We'll write 2. Now how many fingers above this? 1, 2. We'll write 2. So something upon something, same thing. It will be 1 now. Now tan 60 degree. Root under something upon root under something. Okay, and that's something we have to find out. So tan 60, 0, 30, 45, 60. This one is 60. How many fingers are there below this? 1, 2, 3. We'll write here 3. How many fingers are there above this? Only 1. So we'll write here 1. So tan 60 will be root under 3. And now tan 90. Okay. So tan 90. Okay. So 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So how many fingers are there below this? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So root under 4 and divided by how many fingers are above this? See 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And we have to find out the tan 90, value of tan 90. So how many fingers are above this? How many fingers are there above this? No, 0. So root under 0. And as we know that anything divided by 0 will be infinity. So not defined. So ND, not defined. Okay. Now we'll write the value of tan. Tan 0 is 0. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 60 is root under 3. And tan 90 is not defined. Okay. This is one method. This is the best method to find out the value of tan, sine and cos. Okay. So once you have got the value of sine, cos and tan, it's very easy to find out the value of cosec, sec and cot. So what will be the value of cosec, sec and cot? See, if sine का क्या है? Opposite होगा. I mean inverse होगा. So now we'll write the values for cosec, sec and cot. So first of all we'll write for cosec, that is inverse of sine. Okay, so cosec 0 will be, sine 0 is 0, so cosec 0 will be 0 upon 1 upon 0. So that is not defined. See, cosec theta will be equal to 1 upon sine theta. Sine 0, so 1 upon sine 0 is not defined. Okay. Now 1 upon 2, so it will be 2 upon 1, 2. Now 1 upon root 2, it will be root 2 upon 1. Root 3 upon 2, so it will be 2 upon root 3. 1, this will be 1. Now we have to find out the value of sec theta. So sec 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 we have to find out. So sec is the inverse of cos. So sec theta will be equal to 1 upon cos theta. Okay? Now see. So cos is 1. So 1 upon 1 is 1. Okay? Root 3 upon 2. So क्या होगा ये? 2 upon root 3. 1 upon root 2. It will be root 2. 1 upon 2. 2. 0. So 1 upon 0 क्या होगा? Again not defined. Yes. ठीक है? Because 1 upon 0 we cannot find out the value of 1 upon 0. That is not defined. Now we have to find out cot theta का value. So cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. ठीक है? So tan theta का value is given here. So we have to find out the inverse of that value, and that will be the value of cot theta. So tan 0 is 0. So cot 0 will be 1 upon 0, that is not defined. Okay. Now tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, so cot 30 will be root 3 upon 1. Tan 45 is 1, so cot 45 will be 1. Tan 60 is root 3, so cot 60 will be 1 upon root 3. Tan 90 is not defined, matlab that is, so cot 90 will be 0. Okay, ठीक है. So these are the values. This is the table. You can see 0, theta is equal to 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So sine 0 will be 0. These are the values for sine, cos, tan, cosec, secant, cot. I hope you understood the trick to find out the value of sine, cos and tan 30, 45, 36, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Okay, so this one is the best method to use the to find out the value of sine, cos, tan, and based on sine, cos, tan, you can also find out the cosec, secant, cot theta. Okay, so the one more method, one more trick is there, so that we'll see in the next video. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.